Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I'm going to make my mom's special fish curry. I'm using both pomfret and kingfish like I showed you last week. Take 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 6 garlic cloves and half bell pepper. You may use any color of bell peppers. I'm using green today and this is optional. Chop the tomatoes and bell pepper and slice the onion. I'm using 4 fresh chilies. You may increase or decrease the quantity. In a bowl, add 2 cups of hot water. Into that, add tomatoes, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika or red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of tamarind concentrate, and salt to taste. Crush the tomatoes nicely. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. And finally add a stem of curry leaves. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil over high heat. Once the oil is hot, add 1/8 teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait till they split. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida and reduce the heat to medium. Add green chilies, garlic and onions and fry till the onion turns brown. Sprinkle some salt on the fish so it will penetrate inside and improve the flavor. Add bell peppers and mix it well. Now we can see the onions are nice and brown. Drain only the tomatoes and add it to the onion and continue frying. Add tamarind mixture and salt to taste. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Bring it to a nice boil on high heat. It's boiling, but still the curry is a little thin. I like mine to be thicker, so reduce the heat to medium and wait till it becomes the consistency you like. Bring it to a nice boil on high heat. Now you can see the quantity has reduced and thickened too. Add your fish. Cook on medium and bring it to a boil again. Let it boil for 5 minutes and finally garnish it with some chopped cilantro, say about 1/2 cup, and turn the stove off. Let it stand for 5 minutes. Smells so good. It came out really well. Serve it with plain rice, idli, dosa, or bread and enjoy it. I'm dedicating this wonderful fish curry to my mom on this Mother's Day.
You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.
Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers in the world. Take care.